Do you want to know how you can make your phone appear on your screen just like this? I'm going to teach you how to do it in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel and also on video editing. First of all, screen record whatever it is that you want to show people on your phone. So let's assume I want to screen record this page on my YouTube studio. I'll just screen record and show them around whatever it is that I want to show them. Right, I'm done showing everybody what I want to show them. Right now you're going to just save this. Okay, once you're done saving your screen record, you now go to your Capcut. Right, this is a particular video that I want to use. Okay, so this is it. Let me play. Do you want to know how you can make your phone appear on your screen? Now what you want to do is to go over to where the point where I'm using my hands to show the phone coming in. Okay, so at that point I'll just come over to overlay, tap on overlay, add overlay. It will redirect me to my phone gallery. Now that particular video that I already screen recorded, I'm going to tap on it and add it into Capcut and then just place it wherever I want it to be. Okay, once I do that, I'm going to select this particular screen recorded video that I just imported, and then I'll go to volume just in case that video has any sound. I'll go to volume and then reduce it to 0 so it doesn't interrupt my original video. Do you understand? Now that I've done that, I'll now come again to my add overlay. I already have a phone screen. Let me just go to my album. Now this is it. I already have a phone screen outline, so you can just download it from Pinterest or from anywhere. I downloaded this one from Pinterest, so you can just download from Pinterest or from Chrome. Just tap on phone screen outline and it's going to bring it out for you. Okay, so now that I've imported it, I'm just going to move this. Okay, this is selected. Now I'll just move it over the screen and let it fit into that screen recorded version. Okay, just move it until it fits into it. Okay, this is too long. Let me just delete. It's too long. Delete. So yeah, I have it here. So this is it. You want to know how you can make your phone appear on your screen just... Do you understand? So it's very simple. So just make sure they are both starting at the same time. Let's play again. Appear on your screen just so like this is it. Note that you can also make it appear like this. You know, hold on, let me show you. Let me just delete this one now. Let me delete this one now. Okay, so now let me bring in my phone, my recorded version or any other video. Okay, let me bring in any other video. Let's even use this one. Okay, so now remember to always take the volume down, okay, of your imported video. So now you can use your finger here just to move it down. Okay, use your finger to move it down. Then I'll go over to overlay and bring in my phone outline, and I'm going to just increase it and make it as long as my original video, right? So this is what I'm going to do. This particular phone, I'm just going to turn it, okay, because the size of this particular video is different. I'm going to just turn it and make it fit into it. Can you even see what I'm doing? This is the original video here. You can see it. So let me make the screen smaller. Yeah, so this is it. So if I play now, you'll see. You want to know how you can make your phone appear on your screen? Okay, you can. Let me make it come in. So this is it. Phone appear on your screen just like this. Now if you want the original video that you are doing to be in a screen, to be inside the phone, right, this particular video, right, that you can see right now, I want it to be in a screen. Now this is what I'm going to do. This place, I'm going to just tap on the original video and then use my two fingers to pinch it in. Do you understand? Now that I've used my two fingers to pinch it in, I'll now come over to overlay again and then go to my phone. Let me go to my personal album, then bring in your phone, this one, just bring it in and then you can now enlarge it. Okay, you can enlarge it, just let it be fitted. Let me pinch this out a bit. You can play it now. You can see it's right inside. Look at it. If I play it now, you can see it's right inside the phone screen. So that's basically how to make your phone screen appear on your screen or on your videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get more informative videos. Okay, bye.